Hi, Simple Life Ministry. Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today I'm so excited because I have my friend here, Vivian, visiting all the way from Toronto. And you know that's a long ride to get to me, over 2.5 hours drive. And she's here with her beautiful daughter, Shanine, and her son, Jacob. So today we have some oat burgers here. And so we're going to make some gravy for the oat burger. So Vivian is going to tell you all about the gravy. All right, go ahead.
We made 2 gravies today. The first one is like a red one. It has tomatoes, onions, peppers, and different kind of seasoning. Paprika, garlic, and different things where you could put it on your burger, or if you wanted, you can put a few burgers in there to marinate in there, and it gives it a nice juicy taste. And the second one we have is a cashew sauce burger. It has in water, nutritional yeast, paprika, and salt. And we blended it in the blender, and then we poured it on the caramelized onions and just stirred it, and then there you have it. Or 2, so you can choose which one you like, and they smell so good. This one I think I would prefer the onion one. So hope you those who try the burger will try the sauces.
All right, and so now I'm gonna come in, and this is my dinner time. So I think I'm gonna have the one that you said you would prefer, which is the caramelized onion with the cashew sauce. Look how delicious it looks, Simple Life. And then I'm gonna pour it. And another way you were telling me, Vivian, that you would do it. How you'd put the burgers inside
inside the sauce,
and
that's it all soak in, so it be, you know, just a nice juicy flavor on the burger.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here you go now, Simple Life. You always want me to try, right, Vivian?
Yes.
So okay, are you gonna try with me or just
no,
me?
just you for now, because
Okay.
it's your time to eat, not mine.
Yeah, that you're leaving me. All right, Simple Life. Oh, I love onions and
Oh, good. And my grandson's gonna try a little bit too.
Oh, Jacob.
See, now I see Lorna actually doing the so good.
This is so good. Seriously, Vivian, the crunchiness of the burger with the sauce and then the onion.
Yeah.
So nice. You're gonna love it, and you'll see that when I say my I'm not lying. Here, Jacob. Would you like to try? So Simple Life, this is it for now. I hope that you will try. We're gonna put the gravy in the recipe
In the description box.
Yes. All right. So thank you for liking,
Sharing,
and
subscribing.
bye for now. God bless.
Okay.